Okay, it says a coin that is currently valued at $15 increases in value each year by 1.75 times. So this is our B. This is our A, because that's what we started with. It says, what equation? I don't know why we don't just start with this. And it says use T. So we're going to put T here instead. Okay, so is it getting bigger or smaller? So we're going to have to do the math, right? We're going to plug in these numbers and see what's happening. Okay, so this is 26.25. This is 45.94. This is 80.39. So it's growing because it's getting bigger. And it says, what will the value be in 15 years? So we plug in a 15. So 66322.67. This is money, so we want to keep 2 decimal places. Number 2, a bouncy ball is dropped from 100 feet. That's what I'm starting with. The height of the ball after each bounce is 3/4 of the height of the previous bounce. So I'm going to start with 100. I'm going to have 3/4 in parentheses, and x is my variable. So if I go ahead and fill all these out, you guys can work those out. We're going to have 75 for this one. We're going to have 56.25, 42.19, 31.64, and 23.73. Is it growing or decaying? It's getting smaller, so it's a decay. What will be the height of the ball after the 8th bounce? So we're going to take our equation and we're going to plug in 8. So we have 3/4 to the 8th power, and we multiply our answer by 100. We get 10.01, and it's feet. All right, number 3 says, what is the value of f of 5? So this means plug in 5 for x. All right, number 4, you're deciding between 2 jobs. Job A offers 35,000 with a 5% raise each year, and this is our function. Job B offers 45,000, 1,500 raise each year, and this is our function. If you're planning to keep the job for 3 years, so that's our x, which job would you choose and why? So if I do job A, I plug in my function. And I get 40,516.88. If I do job B, I plug in my values. Notice how job B is not exponential. Okay, job B doesn't have an exponent in it, so it's not exponential, it's just linear. We have to do order of operations. We have to multiply first, and then we add. Okay, so which job would we make if we were only staying there for 3 years? You would want to pick job B, because job B, you're going to make more money. Okay, if we were planning to keep the job for 15 years, which job would you choose and why? So now we got to try again, and we're going to plug in job A. And we're going to plug in job B. We have to do these in our calculators, right? So we follow our order of operations. So this job is going to make $72,762.48. And then the next job is going to make $67,500. So in this case, we want job A if we're staying there longer because we're going to make more money.